How to fix iPhone battery health. If you want to improve or fix your iPhone's battery health, mainly it depends upon how you use and maintain your device. Here are some tips or methods you can try and follow to maintain and optimize your iPhone's battery health. The first thing to do is to ensure that your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Open up Settings from your mobile device and then tap on General. Tap the Software Update button and check for latest version of operating system for your iPhone. Go ahead and tap the Download and Install button since Apple frequently releases updates that includes battery optimizations and improvements. Once you update to the latest software, the next thing to do is to check for battery health. Go back to Settings app and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Battery. Tap the Battery Health and Charging option and make sure to turn on the button right next to Optimized Battery Charging. Once you toggle on this option, it helps to reduce battery aging, and from the same page, you'll be able to see the maximum capacity of your iPhone's battery. If your battery's maximum capacity is significantly degraded, you may consider replacing it at an authorized Apple service provider. Another thing you can do in order to prevent your battery health is to use Wi-Fi instead of cellular data. Using Wi-Fi consumes less power than cellular data, so when possible, connect to Wi-Fi network. Also, make sure to turn off the features like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and location service when you don't need them. Doing this might also help you improve your iPhone's battery health. Also, make sure to reduce screen brightness, enable the low power mode from the battery settings, and make sure to close any unused application. Whenever you are charging your device, avoid fully discharging it. Charge your iPhone before it reaches 0% to avoid deep discharges which can stress the battery. Those were some of the tips and fixes you can try out to fix your iPhone battery health. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.